XRP holders, if you doing this mistake, my brother, and the current time exactly you are in the loss, my brother. What's the mistake, my friend? I will tell you. But first of all, you see, my friend, this change occur. Oh my goodness, you can see this time the change occur last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days, absolutely completely and the negative, my brother. So what's the main reason today fails down, and what's the mistake to holders are doing in the same time? Let's start this brand video. But kindly before I get started this video, I have one request for all of you to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notifications. So thank you so much. As you can see here, the last 1 hour update is on the screen, my brother, and completely they fail us down. You can see here. So what's the mistake? The mistake of holders which are doing at this same time very highly, my brother, is that to they are starting selling. Definitely when they fail is down, absolutely. And remember to XRP, one of the stable coin in a crypto market, absolutely. If you starting selling in this type chain is occurring, exactly you are in the loss, because they when they fails down, absolutely they cannot very highly fails down. Just in only, my friend, 0.00000 points at the point, my friends, they fails down. So therefore I will tell you, my brothers, to don't sell it in this type bad fails, my brother, because you know XRP as a very stable coin, when they fails down, absolutely slowly, but when they moving upward, absolutely slowly. So therefore I will tell you today, this coin is very good for a long term investor. So if you have invest for a long time, exactly, don't see this 1 day, this 7 day, this 1 month, my friends, chart. Just and only focus for years, my friend. I'm also holder of XRP for a long time. So therefore I have no plan to sell it before 2022. When they fails down, when they moving upward, I cannot see, my brother. But just in only, my friend, I will just update for all of you. So therefore I see it, my friend. So you can see at this time 0.99 USD dollar in the last 3 days, but this time you can see 0.83 USD dollar is the latest price. So it's mean to, I think, 0.1% they fails down. So it's 100%, my friends, gonna show you to upcoming time there's more chances of them moving upward, because, my brother, absolutely in the start of month every cryptocurrency fails down. So therefore I hope after a fail every cryptocurrency take a jump. So therefore I know, my brothers, to upcoming time they will take a very huge jumps now. So thanks for watching, XRP holder. Please like this video and subscribe, press the bell icon for videos notification.